Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun. A cute laptop with a smiling face. Are you ready?
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, let's draw a big rectangle. This will be our laptop's monitor or screen. Now, inside that rectangle, draw another smaller rectangle. Great job! Next, let's draw another rectangle below the screen. This will be the keyboard area of our laptop. Now, it's time to draw the keys. Draw lots of small squares inside the keyboard area. These are the buttons we press when we use the computer. Now, let's draw a small rectangle in the middle. This is the touchpad where we move our cursor. Now the fun part. Let's give our laptop a cute face. Draw two big round eyes on the monitor. Add tiny white circles inside to make them shiny. Then draw a smiley mouth in the middle. Oh, our laptop looks so happy. Nice job, everyone. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop on the page. Wow, looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's grab our color pens. We'll use rainbow colors. Say the colors with me. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Wow! It looks so bright and cheerful. Amazing job, my little artists. You did a great job drawing and coloring your cute laptop. If you had fun today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch more fun drawing videos here at Toddlers Art Hub. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.